A product lifecycle has to do with the entirety of the creation, use, and retirement of the product rather than just the product development part of that. You can think of a lifecycle as a circular cycle of identifying a need, creating a concept, designing a product and its manufacturing process, production, deployment, support and maintenance, upgrades, retirement and disposal, and then back to the next opportunity. Some specific issues related to the lifecycle we'll talk about in this tutorial include version control, which is keeping different versions of the software and product straight, configuration management, which is knowing what's in a deployed system, lifecycle support after development, and dealing with the fact that old embedded systems don't really ever die. That means you have to deal with spare parts for obsolete systems, midlife upgrades, and so on. The anti-patterns for lifecycle issues include not having version control, not having configuration management, and implementing features incrementally but never stepping back to have a baseline configuration.